As a cybersecurity professional, we get asked a lot of questions about new technologies coming in cybersecurity space. Customers rely on us and they want to know how a new technology could bring in value in their SOC organization. This is when we bring in SOAR, which is Security, Orchestration, Automation and Response Platform. Without getting into jargons or buzzwords, I would like to put in 3 simple features or capabilities that SOAR brings in, which adds a lot of value into the SOC organization. Start with the first one, which is basically adding the enrichment or adding context to an incident. What that basically means is when you have a new incident coming into your SIM platform, when it gets pushed into the SOAR, the artifacts associated with it could actually be pushed into your different external systems, which could be an IP address, a file hash. SOAR could actually go to your external system and enrich all of that information automatically into that incident management platform, thereby giving all of that context to the analyst to faster act on that incident. The SOAR platform could actually go into your HR system, could pull in information about the victim, for example. It could go into your reputation database, pull in information about the artifacts involved. It can actually manually add all of that context into that incident, like I said before. The second thing that SOAR does is by using playbooks, it actually guides the analyst through the incident handling methodology, thereby ensuring that there is a quality and consistency in how we handle incidents. This basically ensures that irrespective of who's sitting on the other side of that laptop or the computer, the SOC analyst, irrespective of the level of skills, there will be a quality and consistency in incident handling. So what's the third thing? Once you conclude that there is something really bad, we need to take actions. That's where again SOAR brings in a lot of value. It actually helps us automate the incident response process by actually speaking to the right end technology, thereby ensuring faster orchestrated response. What that basically means, if I have to explain that further, it can actually speak to your, let's say, a firewall to block a bad IP address. It can speak to your EDR technology to contain or mitigate an endpoint. It can actually also speak to your Active Directory, for example, disabling an Active Directory account because the username has been compromised. So just to summarize what we talked about, first thing being enrichment, basically to add the context on the incident. Second thing being the playbook development, basically guiding the analyst through the incident response cycle. And third thing being the orchestrated incident response process for faster response. As the threat actors continue to evolve, SOC analysts are overwhelmed with the number of alerts. The only way we can manage this is by utilizing the right technology. That's where the SOAR brings in a lot of value. Internally within Help AG, we depend a lot on technology like SOAR to make sure that we can provide faster triage, incident response in a quality and consistent way utilizing the SOAR technology. Streamline your security operations with Help AG SOAR.